So this is the new Nokia N1. It marks Nokia's re-entry to the consumer device business, and it's a brand licensed product, which means that it's designed and some software is produced by Nokia, but the manufacturing and sales is done by Foxconn in China. So it's a beautifully designed device. It has really clean design. We aim for a simple, clean, all the rounded edges, the buttons are hidden but still tactile. There's no bump on the camera. The camera curve flows with the angle of the edge of the device. The colors, this is the lava gray, and we also have a natural aluminium color which is lighter. On the outside we have the USB-C type connector, so things can be plugged in both ways. And the only other things on the outside is the audio jack and the buttons. There's also two stereo speakers. Other things about the hardware: it has a 7.9-inch display. The resolution is 2048 x 1536 pixels. It's an IPS panel display with the lamination between the glass and the panel, so that there's zero air gap, which means that the viewing angles on the device are really great and the colors really pop out. Other things about the hardware: it runs on Intel Atom quad-core processor. It's quite a powerful device, so it's 2.3 gigahertz of clock speed, and it's a 64-bit processor. It has 2 gigabytes of memory and 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and the connectivity is done over Wi-Fi. So if you go
about the software.
So yes, exactly. So if we go into the software next, it's the latest Android Lollipop, so it's 5.0. It's really a standard version of the Android, so it has all the Google services. It has a Play Store, Google Now, G+, everything, Google Search in the top. But the really thing that makes the device unique is the Nokia Z Launcher. That is a home screen for the Android OS. And what it is, it's really the Nokia way to use a tablet. And on the home screen we have a grid of apps. It also supports contacts and other things that the user currently needs. So there's a predictive algorithm based on machine learning that learns how the user uses the device. So based on location, time of the day, other contextual things, it shows what the user currently needs. So for example, if the user reads emails always in the morning, it will show the email app here. Or if the user watches videos in the evening, it will show the video app here. And in case it doesn't show what the user currently wants, you can just scribble the search things. For example, if we want to read The Economist, we scribble T, and The Economist is here. Usually one letter is enough, but you can also write more, so TH. It also searches from contacts, and you can set it to search from browser history and also from Google. So if you want to Google a Nokia N1, it started showing the Google results here. And if you click it, it goes to the browser and shows the Google results. We also have a regular app listing from A to Z in case the user doesn't remember the name and only wants to search by icon. But that's really, once the user gets used to the Z Launcher way of doing things, that's really unneeded. And that's basically it.
How much is it retailing for in China?
So in China, it's currently retailing for $249 US before tax, and it's only available there presently.